Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Let's give the final installment of the chicken tractor. So let's take a look at it. We've got it all closed in. Now we don't have our vent cover on it yet. Still got to get another piece of tin, but that can be done real easy with the cordless screwdriver and stuff. So anyway, we put a makeshift tongue on it. We do have a little piece here to so we can connect the chain, and we're going to hook this to the ball of the 6-wheel. Right now we do have a hitch coming for this, so that we can put it on a 2-inch ball, and we're going to take and use it when we've got to move it for a long distance. When we just have to move it for a short distance, we'll just take and drag it. Now this tongue's got a couple of bolts, so it can actually, one bolt can be taken out and this can be raised up at a more manageable height. We've got the whole enclosures all the way done. Now we did extend the metal on the sides just a little bit, which might not be a great thing when we're going through grass because of the height of it. But the idea behind this is if a predator goes to dig, it's going to try to dig close, and that might deter some of them. Now normally we won't have problems during the daytime. It's at nighttime, and at nighttime they'll be closed up. We have our little entrance here to get in here. I've got a little spring, so this door will kind of close if we have to go inside. Now we haven't got our water and stuff mounted yet, but that'll be done here in a little bit. On the inside we have our walkway here. We went ahead and put some slats. For some reason, if it gets slick or something, it'll make it easier for the chickens to get up into the roost area. Now we have our mechanism here where we jack it up. These wheels are, and they're not flat, it does have some weight on it though, but these wheels are flat free, so they're solid rubber tires, because definitely we don't want something with a tube and it gets out, and how most of those tires over time leak down. Then we'd have to bring a compressor. But it's just a matter of jacking up. Now we can only jack up roughly about 6 inches. If we extended the arm, we could probably get a little more height on it. But the reason for that is it starts putting a lot of pressure on the mechanism. So as far as jacking up, now we can go up a little bit higher, but if you go too high, it's going to be putting too much pressure on the mechanism for there. Now on the inside here, and we still have to change this panel. It's a temporary panel. We went ahead and put some hardware cloth at the things there. Now inside we have our roost boxes. Now we might have to extend this out with another board, make it easier for them to get up in there. We're just going to have to see. We have our roost over here, and what we did was with the holes there, we put hardware cloth in all these holes. That way we don't have to worry about chicken snakes getting in here at night. Now they still get in the day if they want to, because of course they can go through the walkway there, so it's not going to be possible to keep them out all the way. We'll just have to watch. I got our nesting boxes full of straw, and we're going to throw little wood chips down in here to make this a little bit easier to keep clean. And anyway, that's what we're looking at. We're going to roll this thing out of here. Once it gets daylight, we'll pull it around and we'll transfer the chickens into the coop, and then we'll move them out onto the grass, and we'll see how they do. And here we go. We've got them out here in the yard right now. We'll get them used to the outside. It took a little coaxing, get a couple of them out of the hen house. Once the couple went out, the others are slowly following. So there you go. If you want to see more of these how-to videos and things like that, well, of course, just subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and share this video. Happy gardening.